Hello, this is Cordell Davenport, founder of Small Apartment Inspector. And in this video, I'm going to talk about property operations for small apartments and things to look out for that can make or break a person. Now, even if your property is being managed by a third party, you still need to be knowledgeable of what's going on. You have to manage the managers. And with apartments, excuse me, it's not just an investment, it's actually a business. You have to run it like a business. So if you're the boss, so to speak, you want to know kind of what's going on with your business. Same thing applies with apartments. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to handle repairs, requests that come with your small apartment building. All right, smalapartmentinspector.com. Go to the website, and on the website, you can read more information about the app that I have. It's actually a mobile app. And there's going to be a screen, and you fill in your information, and then I will reply back with information on how you get the app. But here's a little bit more detail about it. You know, what it does, it helps you find evidence and document facts. I have a long sales page that goes in detail about it. But in a nutshell, this is what it gives you. We have building exterior checklist, preventive maintenance checklist, preventive maintenance questionnaires, move in, move out for tenants. It's all done digitally, no paper whatsoever. It's all in the cloud. I make unit ready checklist and yearly unit inspection checklist. So go to the website, check it out. All right, now back to the topic. When repairs come in, you know, from people, and you have to, they're going to come to you explaining what's going on, of course, right? So when they do come, how do you know how to prioritize? You have to take quick action with high-level items, such as broken glass, locks, security problems, electrical wires, steps that are broken, banisters, and things like that. You have to figure out and respond in like kind. And you have to look at the consequences of things that may occur. So here we go. What needs to be done immediately? Personal security and safety problems equals injured people. Injured people equals lawsuits. Get this done immediately when they come your way. Then 24 hours. Respond and attempt to get work done as soon as possible within 24 hours. These can be major inconveniences like plumbing issues, etc. Major inconvenience to tenant equals unhappy tenant. Unhappy tenant equals tenant self-remedies or staff there in 24 hours. Sometimes when when a tenant moves in, you will supply them like a welcome package and what the expectations are. And you can also supply them with some home remedies. Okay, if this is broken or if this doesn't work, do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it doesn't work out, then call us. Okay, 48 hours. Small problem equals slightly annoyed tenants, and that equals bad feelings. All right, now this is very quick. As I mentioned, go to smalapartmentinspector.com, check it out. And also when you're there, you're going to see other information that talks about buying and managing small apartments. Take care, y'all. Bye.